Here's a stick fighting combination for your toolbox. The first strike is going to be a forehand slash to clear one or both of your opponent's arms out of the way. The second and third strike is going to be an abanico or fanning strike to the head. And the fourth strike is going to be a vertical strike or redondo strike down the middle. Let's look at that again. Forehand slash, abanico to the head, finish with that vertical or redondo strike. Now, let's get real. You practice with a rattan stick, that's good. Practice it with a heavy stick. This is a stick I found today hiking, and it's going to be a keeper. Forehand slash, abanico to the head, and then finish with that redondo strike. Practice, practice, practice.